Good.
Dope. Yeah, so this is pretty much where I'm at right now.
Okay.
Not sure what you would do here. This is pretty much what always happens. Like, this audience is the best one by far.
Okay.
But the frequency is really high. I'm not really sure why.
Yeah.
And I'm not really sure how to fix that either. This one, oh, yeah, okay, you can do that. Home recording started off really good, but then it kind of started to tank.
Let's go by active. See what our ROAS is, and then let's do last 7.95. This one's 1.74,
Yeah, this one
1.37,
wasn't the best.
0.34. You didn't run any special offers over the weekend?
Should I have? I didn't.
Ideally, on holidays, you want to do that.
That makes sense.
Yeah. See if there's anything today.
So you literally just run a 3-day campaign or something?
Yeah.
Or you go and edit the ads?
Yeah, a 3-day campaign. You just launch it.
I was wondering, would you optimize the ages at all? Because I have 18 through 65 plus right now.
That's fine. I would change the ages for now.
Okay.
All right, so your stroke conversion rate, it's still your AOVs that's getting you. AOV meaning average order value. You need to get this up. Your conversion rate's down this week. It's likely because you didn't have any special offers, which makes sense.
Yeah, okay.
How many people were purchasing your upsell?
The first one, a lot of them. We can look at it if you want. If you go to apps. And then go to one-click upsell. Yeah. Because you were telling me about the people who sell glue. Isn't it only like an $8 or $9 product or something like that? Go to funnels.
People are buying a bunch of their stuff.
Right. Okay.
And it's recurring. You have to replace the glue.
Got it. Okay, that makes sense.
Is this where the data is?
Go to funnels. Click that. Yeah, right there, the funneling.
Okay, so you have a 20% opt-in?
Yep. Yeah, so that one, 71%.
Nobody's doing this one?
Not yet, but it's only been seen 10 times, so. And then my open rate on the emails aren't really that great either.
Yeah, this is the only one that's really converting on. Are there more beats you can make?
Yeah, for sure.
I mean, are you able to package up like another 5 of these, and let's get some more out there?
You mean like run ads to them?
Like another 5 potential products you can have listed on your site.
So if you go back to Shopify, go back to products. So that's pretty much what I have right now.
Are there more?
The 77 one. That's the main one. And then the next one's an upsell. And then the top one doesn't have any real traffic going to it. There's no ads running to it or anything like that. And it's not in the funnel. But it's if people want it, then it's there.
I get some more going and then yeah, I mean, you can scale this one up for sure.
Go to 20.
Yeah, you can go to 20 on that one. Leave the other 2 alone.
Okay.
Maybe even scale this top one down by $2.50 and then just
Okay.
Let's go with that. And then I would just come up with more product ideas for sure on your site.
Okay. And just leave them on the site or run ads to them too?
Yeah, like just add them onto the site and then like end up testing them later.
Okay, I see. Yeah, I just don't know if I'm gonna have a better offer than that one.
Well, try to do 100.
Okay. Yeah. Would you do another one that's 100 or add 23 to that one and then make it 100?
No, because this one's fine. You just need to add another one in that's 100 and compare it.
Okay, I see. And then split test running ads to them, like the same
Yeah,
ads?
exactly.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'll give it a try. And different price points, obviously, right?
Yeah. The interesting
I
thing
can also,
is every person who adds the, oh wait, yeah, just about every person who's adding the cart is converting. So I mean, like,
for the most part, yeah.
you need a better offer up front so you get even more people coming through.
Could I raise the price on it, you think? Would that help?
You could give it a shot, but I mean, have you done that before?
I have when I was using lead pages. I was testing at 27.
And
I converted like the same, 3%, 3%.
you just made more money.
Yeah.
All right. I mean, you can try raising it. You have a good thing going though. So I mean,
Yeah, it's okay. So I don't want to like fuck with it is the thing. But I also want to make it better, so.
yeah. Okay. So launch it as, yeah. So I mean, like you can try testing the price, but I'd first launch those other items and then also scale up this one.
Okay. Make that one 20.
Yeah.
Make home recording 5 and then leave record producer alone.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, cool.
It's a really small audience. This one is.
It is, yeah. It's more targeted. That's why I think it's doing better. Like the other two are really broad.
Yeah. For your industry, I mean, it's quite limited for who's buying, right?
Yeah, like go to the other ones. I was testing engaged shoppers with
Oh,
the
I
other
mean, it's
two.
1.4 million.
So,
It's not that small.
yeah, but
Have you
like
done these?
I've done Native Instruments, I've done Waves Audio, I've done Audio Engineer, I've done Loop Masters.
Have you done
Loop
PreSonus?
Masters, no, I haven't. That'd be a good one. Studio One.
Yeah, I keep getting their ads.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Man, you must get so many different ads because you just like land on everyone's page.
I see the craziest stuff. But, you know, I get a good diversity and mix of things.
Yeah, yeah.
I would try some additional ones at like $2.50 each.
Okay.
And then like real quick, we click this button here. We go down to creative reporting right here.
Mm-hmm.
This is going to show you your best ad. Let's see. Because like when you create these new these new audiences, what we can do is we're going to see which ones are doing the best so far.
Okay.
So wow, these have insane click-throughs. These have barely any. So wait a second. Is this video this one here?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, look at those click-through rates.
Yeah.
What are the results on this?
Because that same video is in lowest as well. Is that weird? Oh, that was a different offer. I forgot.
So this ad here, let's get your ROAS in here real quick. .79 for this one.
Mm-hmm.
What's that? And then the other one is that actual.
Oh,
0.82. This one gets a better ROAS though.
Yeah, lower click through.
A lot less people. Yeah, raise your price a little bit and let's see what it does.
Okay. You think so?
But oh, you have 19. No, you don't do that. Don't do that.
Oh, yes.
You're gonna have to
Dang
change
it,
all
yeah,
your
yeah.
ads.
That's annoying.
Let's go with this ad. These 2 ads here
Okay.
only.
Okay.
Whenever you
current
create
campaign?
those new audiences, yeah, like this ad and this ad. Whenever
but
you
leave
create
that one.
new audiences, but don't use this one anymore.
Okay. But leave the third one where it is right now. Or
Yeah.
cut it.
No, leave it where it's at right now.
Okay.
Cool.
Yeah, sounds good.